The headquarters of GST Council is located at dash. Answer A. New Delhi. Which state became the first state of India to ratify GST bill? Answer C. Assam. GST was introduced as a Dutch Amendment Act. Answer B. 101. A special purpose vehicle dash has been launched to cater the needs of GST. Answer D. GSTN. GST threshold limit bearing northeast and hilly state is dash lakh. Answer A. 10. Who is the chairman of GST Council? Answer E. Finance Minister. GST is a dash based tax on consumption of goods and services. Answer D. Destination. In which year GST was first proposed in India? Answer A. 2000. In IGST, I stand for. Answer B. Integrated. Indian GST model has how many branches of tax rates? Answer C. 4. The country with second highest tax slab, for example 27%, is. Answer C. Argentina. In India, GST came effective from July 1st, 2017. From which country India has borrowed double GST model? Answer A. Canadian. Presently, how many countries have implemented GST? Answer D. 180. The tax IGST charged by dash government. Answer A. Central. GST comes under which amendment bill? Answer C. 122. Creation of the GST Council as per Article dash of the Amendment Constitution. Answer E. 279A. GST exemption threshold limit of Northeast state is dash lakh. Answer B. 10. Which of the following comes under sin tax? Answer E. All. A, B and C. GSTN comes under which act? Answer C. Companies Act 2013. What does N stand for in HSN? Answer A. Nomenclature. Coal comes under which GST rate structure? Answer B. 5%. The highest rate of tax prescribed under IGST is dash. Answer D. No such limit. The country with highest GST rate in the world is. Answer B. India. Dash is the first state that passed GST bill. Answer C. Telangana. GST rate on smartphone is. Answer C. 18%. Combined stake of central and state government in GSTN is dash. Answer C. 49%. The Central Board of Excise and Customs CBEC announced that every year dash will be considered as GST day. Answer D. January 1st. Under GST insurance is taxed dash percent. Answer D. 18%. Who is the chairman of GST Committee of State Finance Ministers? Answer A. Amit Mitra. How many types of GST in India? Answer C. 4. Which of the following country is the first one to implement GST to reduce tax evasion? Answer B. France. What is integrated goods and services tax? Answer B. Tax imposed on interstate trade. Which of the following statement is not correct about GST? Answer A. GST will abolish all the direct tax levied in India. GST will be levied on dash. Answer D. All of the above. What kind of tax is GST? Answer B. Indirect tax. Which of the following tax will be abolished by the GST? Answer A. Service tax.